Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see the formation of a company or different stages in formation of company. As you know, it is a lengthy process of a formation or starting any company. It may be a private company or a public company. We have four stages in formation of company. That is, first one is promotion stage, promotion stage. Second is incorporation stage, and third is capital raising stage, and the fourth one is business commencement stage. Business commencement stage. And if we are into a private company, then we can operate a business or start a business with these two stages, that is promotion stage and incorporation stage. And if we are into a public company, we need to follow all four stages, that is promotion stage, incorporation stage, capital raising stage, and business commitment stage. If we are into a private, then only two stages. Once if we get incorporation certificate or registration certificate from register of companies, then we can start a business operations. But in case of public company, we need to have business commencement certificate from register of company. Then only we can start a business in case of public limited company. Then let's see one by one of all these stages in detail. The first thing is promotion stage. As the name itself tells you, promotion stage is an initial stage or a first stage of any company. It may be private, it may be public company. Here what happens, people come together and generate a business idea, nurture a business idea, and give some shape to their ideas into a business scalability, we can say that. So here what happens, they promote a businesses. If we say the particular meaning, promotion stage is a stage where organizing and planning of a finance in a corporate form. Here what we do in promotion stage, we do organize and plan for men, money, material and machine. There are 4 M's of factors of production: men, money, material and machine. Those are organized and planned properly in case of promotion stage. Here what we do, we generate a business idea, and these ideas converted into a particular scalable businesses or companies. Those in promotion stage, what we do, we organize and we plan for the businesses, act accordingly. And the the people who make these business, there are peoples are needed to generate an idea or to make organizing activity or planning activity. Those we call as promoters. Those we call as promoters. Then promoters are persons who generates a business idea, who nurtures business idea, and who plans and who organize a particular businesses. Those we call as promoters. If we see by the companies act 2013, then there are certain points to whom we can call as a promoters. That is defined under section 2 subsection 69 of Companies Act 2013. Promoters are persons who is who has been who has been named as such in a prospectus, which means in a prospectus all our names are mentioned, those individuals or those persons we call as promoters. It is clearly says that the name of a persons entered or displayed or written in a prospectus, those we can call as promoters. Then second thing is who's identified who identified by the company in annual returns referred to in section 92. There is a special section in Companies Act 2013, that is section 92. The person's name appears in annual return referred as such in section 92. Those individuals we call as promoters. Then third point would be who has control over who has control over the affairs of the company. The person who is having a control over the business operations of a company we can call as promoter. Then fourth one is, that is last one, in accordance with whose advice, suggestions, guidance the board of directors work, for those we call as promoters. The first thing is whose name appears in a prospectus and whose name is referred in annual returns. Then who has direct control over business operations or affairs of a company. Then fourth one is in accordance with whose advice, suggestions, guidance or any other things with relation to board of directors, or board of directors act in the guidance of particular person, for those we call as promoters. Then there are different types of promoters are there. We can classify promoters by the work they do. There are totally three types of promoters. First one is professional promoters. Professional promoters. Professional promoters are promoters who are who are into businesses to promote particular company. Professional promoters are promoters whose main business is to promote a companies. They are into only promotion of companies and they charge certain fees for that. They charge certain fees to promote a particular company. For those we call as professional promoters. These are expert business organizations who takes initiation in promoting a particular company. Those, for them we call as professional promoters. Their main business is to promote a businesses. Their main business activity is to promote a businesses, nothing much, and they charge certain fees for that in return. Then second type of promoter may be occasional promoters. occasional promoters. The name itself tells you occasional. Promoters are promoters whose main business is different, but they take a part in promotion of certain companies. Those we call as occasional promoters. Occasionally or partially they take initiation in promoting certain companies we call as occasional promoters. Then the last one is particular business promoters. Particular business promoters are promoters who are experts in their field. For example, if a person is a mining experts or a mining business experts, he only promote businesses of mining. If you take a sugar industry, if a person is expert in a sugar industry, he only promotes sugar industry. If a person is into a steel, then he only promotes steel companies. If he is in a cement, he only promotes cement companies. So he is into a particular business promotion. He is having expertise in a particular field of a business operations or a particular business we call as particular business promoters. Let's see what all we have seen in this video. We have seen there are four stages in a formation of company: promotion stage, incorporation stage, capital raising stage, and business commitment stage. And we have seen promotion stage is a planning stage or organizing stage in which we organize men, money, material, and machine, and we plan for finance in a corporate form. And there are we can call the promoters, and there are different types of promoters, that is professional promoters, occasional promoters, and particular business promoters.